Thanks for tuning back in. In this video I'm going to try and explain what I did to our gas grill in the Caravan to fix a problem we had with it. So I hope you find this helpful. Okay, so as with a lot of caravans on the market, ours came out with a Thetford Caprice Mark III oven grill. Some caravans have obviously only got the grill function, but we've got the oven as well, and the oven part of it is going fine, but we were having problems with our grill. So I'll show you what I did to fix the problem. Okay, just get all this out of the way. Use the old trusty chopstick as a pointer. So the problem we were having, as with a lot of the other ones that I've read about, is that you'd turn the gas on for the grill, hit the igniter button, and it would light up the grill, but the minute you let go of the knob, it would just go out, and that's the problem we were having. Now it seemed to just get worse and worse over time, and we were finding that you had to hold the knob in for sort of 10 seconds, and then that 10 seconds became 20 seconds, and then half a minute, and then eventually it just wouldn't stay going at all. So what I did, basically cleaned everything up, and then in the back of here, right on one side, you've got the igniter. So when you push the igniter button, you'll see the sparks in here. On the other side, you've got a flame sensor, and which has a nut on the back of it going through the back of the grill. So there's two things that I did. One, I got a very fine bit of emery paper, or wet and dry paper if you like, and I folded this around that prong coming out of here, and gave it just a very light sand just to clean any soot or anything off that may have been on it. And the other thing I did was that nut in the back here, which is 12mm, so if you've got a 12mm spanner you can do this. I wasn't sure whether that was actually responsible for earthing this probe out, so I basically undid it about quarter of a turn and then did it back up again to reseat it against the back of the grill, and happy days. It fixed all of our problems. So we basically went from the grill not being able to be used, it wouldn't stay lit, and now, as I'll show you, we can basically turn the gas on, hit the igniter, let the button go, and it goes absolutely fine. Before, we could hold that for 30 seconds and wait for all that top grill to glow red hot and let it go, and it still wouldn't stay going. So yeah, that was a simple fix to our problem. I hope it helps anyone else out there who may be having a similar issue, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.